Hello kids, today we will learn about alphabets from A to Z, from A to Z. Okay, let's start. A for apple, A for apple. B for ball, B for ball. Next, C for cat, C for cat. D for dog, D for dog. E for elephant, E for elephant. F for fish, F for fish. Z for goat, G for goat. H for hen, H for hen. I for ice cream, I for ice cream. Z for jungle, J for jungle. K for kite, K for kite. L for lion, L for lion. M for monkey, M for monkey. N for nose, N for nose. O for octopus, O for octopus. P for penguin, P for penguin. Q for queen, Q for queen. R for rabbit, R for rabbit. S for sheep, S for sheep. T for tiger, T for tiger. U for universe, U for universe. V for van, V for van. W for water, W for water. X for X-ray, X for X-ray. Y for yak, Y for yak. Z for zebra, Z for zebra. A B C D E F Z H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z.